Are you looking for the best fitness tracker? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best fitness tracker on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Garmin Vívoactive 5. The Garmin Vívoactive 5 is a versatile health and fitness GPS smartwatch designed to seamlessly integrate into your daily life. Featuring a vibrant 1.2-inch AMOLED touchscreen display, it offers clear visibility even in direct sunlight. With up to 11 days of battery life in smartwatch mode, it ensures long-lasting performance without frequent charging. The watch is equipped with over 30 built-in sports apps, including walking, running, cycling, swimming, and golf, catering to a wide range of activities. Advanced health monitoring features such as body battery energy monitoring, sleep tracking, and stress tracking provide comprehensive insights into your well-being. Additionally, the Vívoactive 5 supports Garmin Pay for contactless payments and offers smart notifications when paired with your smartphone. Its sleek slate aluminum bezel with a black silicone band combines durability with comfort, making it suitable for both workouts and everyday wear. Whether you're an athlete or someone looking to improve their overall health, the Garmin Vívoactive 5 offers the tools and features to support your fitness journey. Number 2. Samsung Galaxy Watch 6. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 6, 44mm, silver, Bluetooth, is a premium smartwatch designed to seamlessly blend style, connectivity, and advanced health tracking. Featuring a vibrant 1.5-inch AMOLED display with durable sapphire crystal glass, it ensures clear visuals for notifications, apps, and fitness data. Powered by the Exynos W930 chipset with 2GB RAM and 16GB storage, the watch delivers smooth performance, while its 425 mAh battery provides up to 40 hours of usage on a single charge. Running on Wear OS 4 with Samsung's One UI Watch 5, it offers a user-friendly interface and supports comprehensive health and fitness monitoring, including heart rate tracking, blood pressure monitoring, bioelectrical impedance analysis, BIA, sensor, and over 90 workout modes. Advanced sleep coaching provides personalized insights to improve sleep quality, and Bluetooth connectivity allows seamless pairing with compatible devices. Its sleek silver aluminum case paired with a comfortable silicone band makes it suitable for both daily wear and workouts, making the Galaxy Watch 6 an ideal companion for health-conscious and tech-savvy users alike. Number 3. Fitbit Charge 6 Fitness Tracker. The Fitbit Charge 6 is an advanced fitness tracker that combines comprehensive health monitoring with seamless integration into the Google ecosystem. It features an improved heart rate sensor that delivers up to 60% more accurate readings during vigorous activities like HIIT, thanks to an enhanced machine learning algorithm. The device includes built-in GPS and supports over 40 exercise modes, allowing for detailed tracking of various workouts. Additionally, it offers real-time heart rate monitoring on compatible gym equipment and provides access to Google apps such as Maps, Wallet, and YouTube Music. The Charge 6 also comes with a 6-month Fitbit Premium membership, granting access to personalized health insights and advanced features. Designed with a sleek porcelain, silver finish, the tracker includes both small and large bands to ensure a comfortable fit. With a battery life of up to 7 days, the Fitbit Charge 6 is a reliable companion for those seeking to enhance their fitness journey with smart technology. Number 4. Amazfit GTS for Smartwatch. The Amazfit GTS for Smartwatch is a feature-rich fitness and health companion, designed to seamlessly integrate with both Android and iOS devices. It boasts a large 1.75-inch AMOLED display housed in a lightweight aluminum frame, offering vibrant visuals and a comfortable fit. Equipped with dual-band GPS, the watch ensures precise location tracking, making it ideal for outdoor activities. The built-in Alexa voice assistant allows for hands-free control, while Bluetooth calling enables direct communication from the watch. With over 150 sports modes, including automatic recognition of strength training exercises, it caters to a wide range of fitness enthusiasts. Health monitoring features include continuous heart rate tracking, SPO measurement, stress monitoring, and sleep analysis, providing comprehensive insights into your well-being. The watch also offers music storage and playback capabilities, allowing you to enjoy your favorite tunes during workouts. With a battery life of up to 8 days, the Amazfit GTS4 ensures you stay connected and on top of your fitness goals without frequent recharging. Number 5. Garmin Approach S62. The Garmin Approach S62 is a premium GPS golf watch designed to enhance your game with advanced features and a sleek design. It boasts a large 1.3-inch color touchscreen display, 17% larger than its predecessor, the S60, providing clear visibility even under bright sunlight. The watch is equipped with over 41,000 preloaded course view maps from around the world, offering detailed hole layouts and distances. One of its standout features is the built-in virtual caddy, which analyzes your typical shot distances and recommends the best club to use, considering factors like wind speed and direction. Additionally, the Plays-like distance feature adjusts yardages for uphill or downhill shots, while the pinpointer helps you aim accurately even when the flag is not visible. The Green View feature allows manual pin positioning for precise distance measurements to the front, middle, and back of the green. Beyond golf, the S62 offers smartwatch functionalities, including heart rate monitoring, smart notifications, and Garmin Pay for contactless payments. With a battery life of up to 20 hours in GPS mode, it's built to last through long rounds. The Garmin Approach S62 combines cutting-edge technology with practical features, making it an excellent choice for golfers looking to improve their performance and enjoy a smarter golfing experience.